Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. I'm going to give you a demo of NEET PG 2024 application form filling up with all the details and a live demo. So first you need to visit on natpod.ed.in website, and there in the NEET PG section you can go to the NEET PG section from here, NEET PG, this one, and then you need to click on the application link. Once you open the application link, you will see something like this. Please read the information bulletin and please read below instruction carefully before filling up the form. So instructions are like pretty simple. You need to generate user ID and password. That is the first step. Then you have to fill other details after logging in. Okay, nationality, name, mobile number, email address, test city should be filled correctly because it can't be edited. Okay, and you can get the link of information bulletin, image upload instruction. You can click here to open this guideline. Okay, so this real-time photograph need to be taken from the webcam attached to the system, and these are the signature. Then signature should be on white paper with blue or black pen. Okay, and white page without lines. Okay, should be done by the candidate only, and it should be on the 200 dpi, that will be default, and in the JPG format you need to convert if it's PDF or something. Crop only the box area, not the complete white page. Okay, it's like this. Okay, and size should be 80 pixel, 80 KB. Similar for thumb impression, you should keep all these things ready. The thumb impression you have to put on the paper, and then need to crop. It should be horizontal 3.5 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter height. Okay, you can use black or blue color ink pad, left thumb. Okay, these two things are ready on 80 KB, less than 80 KB. Then you can go for photograph. Okay, for photograph you can go for photographer, or you can shoot it from your mobile. Okay, make sure it should match with this criteria. Okay, your full face and some of the portion above the head should be blank wall side. Okay, on white wall side you need to take the photograph. Make sure that your shoulder should be coming, not fully but partially. It should not be tilted, looking straight into the camera. Black and white photographs are not accepted. It should be color photograph. Improper flash or improper lighting, where you can't your face is not visible, will be rejected. You don't want to face the problem in the future, because you are preparing. If you face any minute problem in the application, due to that it gets rejected, your preparation might get affected. Okay, that's why you make sure that in the first go itself you fill it correctly. Any distortion, like the aspect ratio is not maintained, so you need to make sure all these things. Don't wear sunglass or cap. Okay, and this here there you can see that there is so much of light coming on the specs, so that will not be acceptable. And the signature, so it should not be on like full paper. You need to crop the paper so that your signature is clearly visible, and it should be full signature, not half signature. Okay, this half signature is not accepted. Here also the initials are not accepted, and in capital is not accepted. It should be first letter in capital, or and then in a small. Same signature you should be able to do at the time of entry in the entry hall on the day of examination. This lining is not acceptable. Okay, and signature outside, going outside the page, is not acceptable. Okay, now if you upload like photograph in place of signature, that is not acceptable. So all these guidelines you should read, is available over here. Okay, then user manual, user manual I will show you. You can download and you should read the user manual. Make sure that you invest properly before going into the registration. Now to register you have to click here. Okay, once you click it will load and then it will show you some instruction again. So see, there are two ways to register here. If you are applicant, you can register yourself, and it's recommended that you yourself register. Okay, don't allow any agent or someone to register on your behalf. If they give their mobile number or email, then you will be dependent on them and they might do some fraud also. So select I am an applicant. Okay, but they are giving option for others also to register on candidate behalf in case candidate doesn't have all the equipments. So they are advising you to use Google Chrome. I am using Google Chrome latest version. Okay, Edge and latest version you should use to fill it. Don't use Firefox or other browser. Use Chrome. Okay, or Edge. The strict marked fields are mandatory. Okay, kindly do not fill the application form using mobile phone or devices. Always use laptop or desktop. Kindly clear your browsing cache before filling the form. Now read the instruction in the bulletin. You have to do the user registration. All the candidate required to fill the form. Then you can obtain user ID and password. I will show you how to do. And then you can submit the application, fill the application form, all the details, and upload the photograph, signature and thumb impression. Then choose your test city and payment of fee, and then it's done. You will be able to take the printout. Okay, close it. By submitting the registration form, I hereby see here the purpose is given for all the fields in the personal applicant name will be captured to verify the documents. Okay, date of birth to check the applicant eligibility for the application, mobile number to send the details for like further communication, email address for communication, gender, nationality for the purpose of appearing the examination. Okay, so all these things, then agree. You don't have option to disagree. Okay, now scroll down. So here is the first step. You need to enter your name, full name, not the first or the second, full name, and you don't need to prefix Dr., Mr., Mrs., Srimati, okay, or Shri. Repeat the same name to confirm it. Please enter your name strictly as per your eligible qualification certificate, as per your MBBS certificate. Then you need to enter your date of birth. You can select year. You can change the year like this. Okay, like this you can select. Okay, and you can select your gender, male or female, and they have given transgender option as well. Now coming to nationality. If you are Indian, you are going for the non-NRI seats, then Indian. If you are Indian, going for the NRI seats, still Indian. If you are NRI, you have the NRI certificate, okay, NRI card, then you should select NRI. Else, if you are an Indian and going for the seat by NRI sponsor, then you should select Indian only. Many candidates will do this mistake. If they are going for NRI sponsorship, they will select NRI. Okay, so it will put you in trouble. Overseas citizen of India, OCI candidate can select OCI. PIO candidate can select this option. Non-OCI foreign citizen, like from Nepal and all, they can select foreign citizen option. Okay, you should enter the same mobile number which you have and you will keep for future. Okay, will keep for future up at least 1 year. Okay, and you should not change because they won't allow you to change the mobile number. So this is non-editable. Alternate mobile number you can give, this is optional also. Email ID, that's also non-editable, and it's the primary ID mode of communication. Email ID is the primary mode of communication. So you should enter mobile number, email ID, nationality, gender, and name without any mistake. The correction can happen in date of birth. Okay, now you can generate your OTP. Okay, after filling up all the details, then you can click agree and enter the captcha, and then you want to preview, you can preview, or you want to proceed, then click on re-verify to proceed. So after that you need to enter OTP, okay, and then it will generate user ID and password. Once the user ID is and password is generated, then what you need to do, you need to go here, click here, and once you have successfully registered the first step, you won't be able to register again, okay. And you can do the change of password. First of all, you should write password in your mobile phone so that no one can see, and in case you forgot the user ID or forgot the password, you can change it from here, okay. Enter user ID and password, okay, and then you enter the captcha, then login. Once you log in, they will ask you to fill up the further details, okay. So what are the details? Personal details, okay. So personal details, they will ask you your father's name, because these all things they will fetch it because you have already entered during registration phase. Mother's name you need to enter as per your degree certificate. If you want to go for armed force medical services, those colleges, those 9 colleges, then you can select S. If you select S, then you can go for these options. It doesn't mean that you can't go for other colleges, you will go for both, okay. Then you select your category. Make sure that you are selecting the category carefully. If you are sure that you come under general category, you select general, but in case you are expecting the certificate to be completed in near future or by the time counseling starts, okay, then you can select that category, okay, even it's not ready, because they won't ask you to upload the category certificate, they will just ask you to enter the category, okay. EWS you can enter in case you are expecting EWS. For that, the income criteria should match, and in case you fail to get the certificate on time, still you can change it from reserved to general. Then they will ask you the details of your government ID proof out of voter ID card, for passport, PAN card, driving license, okay. So these things you can keep it with you on your desk when you are registering, okay. And if you are doing it from cyber cafe, you carry all those documents. Then you enter communication address. In case the test center is filled up which you want to select in the particular state, then based on your communication address, they will select your nearest possible test center from your communication address. In communication address, both the present address and permanent address will be asked to fill. You can enter both as same, okay. And in case your city option is not available, then you can select state as others, so that they can select from your communication address which is the nearest one. And then you can enter qualification details. In the qualification details, states from which you have completed 10th and 12th, okay. Then MBBS details, the complete country from where you completed MBBS. In case you are FMG, then you can enter that country or India. State, in case of FMG it is others, then you can select city, and then college name and month and year of passing. Month and year of passing of MBBS is the same as per the certificate. The month and year of passing will not be taken from the internship completion date, okay. It is for MBBS passing. And even for FMG, the year when they completed MBBS will be year of passing here. It's not the year when they cleared FMG exam, okay. Now internship start date and the completion will be entered. You have not completed the internship, then you calculate like 12 months from the date of starting and provide it as completion. Then you need to provide the medical counseling registration details with the state level counseling or NMC registration, whichever you are having. MBBS marks, okay, up to 2 decimal without any rounding off, you have to provide. Then you need to enter the test city center. After that, you need to upload the documents, which 3 documents that we discussed initially. Your color photograph, 80 KB is the maximum size. Then your scanned signature in JPG format and thumb impression in JPG format, okay. And then you have to upload your medical registration certificate. So these 4 things you need to upload, okay. This medical registration certificate is a document, so you have to upload in the PDF format, okay. So once you do that, they will ask you to submit the fee. So online way of mode of, online mode of payment is there, and 3500 fee is for general category, EWS and OBC. 2500 is the fee for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Okay, so using net banking card payment you can do, and once it's done, then successfully completed the application form, you will able to see in the status S capital is reflected under the status. It says that you have successfully completed, then you can download your PDF. Okay, so that's the final thing. Now if you feel that you have done any mistake, nothing to worry, there will be edit window and you can change the details in the edit window. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.